Hello guys and welcome back to Excel Share Academy. So today again there's another interview type question for your practice, and this is again based on the cell signaling. So as the lecture series is going on in the Cooper, so simultaneously the practice questions are also being asked. तो मैं ऐसे ही करने वाली हूँ जैसे जो चैप्टर चलता रहेगा, whether it is from the mole bio, dev bio, physiology of plants or animals, उसी से related हम questions भी साथ में करते रहेंगे, ठीक है? So overall at the end of the session, what I want is that along with the theory, you are also thorough with the logics and the reasoning type questions also. Okay, so आपको theory के साथ आपको interview के लिए भी मैं तैयार कर रही हूँ. So let's continue with this. So today's question is, so you have generated a truncated version of the EGF receptor and it lacks the tyrosine kinase domain. Okay. So you need to remember what is tyrosine kinase domain. So if you remember, suppose this is your plasma membrane and we have got your tyrosine. So आपको मालूम है वो हमेशा डाइमर में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, ठीक है? तो सी टर्मिनल आपका रहता है टायरोसिन काइनेज डोमेन, एंड वेयर as in the case of N terminal it is for your ligand, ठीक है? So again and again I'm repeating, if you haven't watched the lecture, please go and watch the lecture series of Cooper. Lecture 6, I guess it is given very briefly and explained in detail about the tyrosine kinase cell signaling. Okay, so they're talking about the truncated version of the EGF receptor. Okay, so EGF, तो हमने इसका क्या मतलब है, यहाँ पे आपका रिसेप्टर में truncated, it is not going to bind, ठीक है? Now expression of this truncated receptor inhibits the response of the cells to EGF. Why? Oh my god, this is so simple. I don't have to even explain in this. See, already it is I said that it is given that it is truncated. So truncated matlab kya? It is like not fully synthesized, right? It is not fully made. और यानी कि छोटा सा टूटा हुआ कोई portion रहा होगा, ठीक है? So it means what? It is not the functional form of the EGF receptor. So what will happen? Now this EGF receptor, the truncated version, is going to act as a dominant negative. Now guys, what do you mean by dominant negative? So before you listen to this, try to answer yourself. Like what does it mean by dominant negative mutant? ठीक है? So what will happen? इसका मतलब का एक तो truncated है plus it cannot dimerize. Dominant negative मतलब both finally it is not going to function. ठीक है? So just answer yourself and try to practice by giving all these answers. Make notes also, like what do you mean by dominant negative or dominant positive, all these things. Okay, it's important. If suppose by chance you say that you're interested in genetics, so these words you should know what does it mean. Okay, so what will happen? So these are going to act as a dominant negative mutant, right? So because of this, what will happen? It is a truncated version. Fine. So what will happen then? So since the truncated version of EGF receptor is going to act as a dominant negative, so here what is going to happen is that since in the case of tyrosine kinase, we need dimerization, right? So this EGF is going to form the dimer. It is going to form the dimer. Okay, ये part आपका सही होगा, but it is not able to activate the cytosolic part of the tyrosine kinase, and hence there will be no autophosphorylation. Guys, I hope अभी आपको मीनिंग समझ में आ गया यहाँ पे, right? So like let me explain once again. So in this case truncated version, when I say that it is dominant negative, it means what? It is going to behave like the normal, but it is not going to show its function. So what is the normal behavior over here? The behavior of normal EGF receptor is to form the dimer and then bind to its receptor. ठीक है? ये हो गया आपका normal behavior of the EGF receptor. Now it is negative. It means what? Even though it is forming a dimer and binding to the receptor, but there will be no phosphorylation. ठीक है? And because of which what will happen? There will be no further signaling of there will be no further downstream signaling, and hence it is not going to give any response to the cells, and that's why expression of this truncated receptor inhibits the response of the cells to the EGF. So this is how you're going to explain the answer. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया है कैसे बोलना है, ठीक है? So try yourself also. See guys, after listening to my answer, like I know even though you do understand like what is the answer of this, but you need to practice by saying also. Interview is not like interview. These practices are not only for you to, you know, to come through all these kinds of questions and दिमाग में रहना चाहिए आंसर. You need to practice also. ठीक है, तो आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, आप खुद का एक वीडियो बना सकते हैं, और you can record your own answer and just check, just cross check with my answer whether are you able to take all the important points or not, are you able to express all the answers or not. So this is how you're going to practice. It's just not by listening the video but also practicing. So I hope you got the message over here, and if you agree with me, let me know through your comments. And yeah, thank you for listening. If you like the video, please smash that like button and subscribe also if you haven't. And all the suggestions and comments are appreciated. Please do write us on excelsioracademy1220 at gmail.com. So even if you like the video, just let me know through your mail. Thank you.